archdemon possessing the body of an innocent 11-year-old boy. Of course, we sent in the best exorcists, but they failed. Who are you?
I'm gonna help your son. I don't do exorcisms. I don't use religious methods to treat the symptoms. I go inside the victim's mind to treat the disease. I evict the demon from the inside. We're in your head. Wake up, buddy.
Something wrong, Henry?
This entity is strong. Strongest I've ever encountered.
What happens when this entity is done with a kid and decides to jump?
The boy dies. Cameron, this is not real. You're gonna burn.
Oh my God.
God is not here.